เริ่มละ
Well, this system this is the flash point. This is automatic Catland open cup flash point. I want to bring you to see this. This is very. This is the flash point checking.
Don't touch
It's,
this one.
it's automatic. They are working by automatic.
Don't touch this one. It's not. It's very poor.
This is
Very
very poor.
Very poor. It's tilting.
This is the checking. 175 is up to the level that they mentioned is 210. Up to 210. So when you make the oil, when we make the oil, every oil they have to check flash point. The flash point, that means when they're working in the temperature, if the temperature is high, when it high, it become to be burning, what we are calling flash point. Every oil that we are blending, we have to be testing by this machine. But normally on the simple people, what they are doing by like this way. They put the cup and then they use the lighter to check. But here no. This is
automatic.
This is automatic. This is automatic.
Every 2 degrees once we will check manually before. In olden days, they are checking with every 2 degrees as per method. So this one also doing every 2 degrees automatically.
Yeah.
So now 182,
Yeah.
it will be checked after 2 degrees. It's greater than 120 degrees.
And also this oil. This oil we are heating. We are heating by automatic. This circle one here. They have the mixing. The mixing underneath. We are not moving. You see? It's become
Every 2 degrees. So
every 2 degrees. Every 2 degrees we will see the difference. It's up until 210.
Actually, the temperature we kept it expected 210. Okay. So the starting of the method is ASTM special. It will be start the testing from the starting. Special. If we go for as per ASTM 92.
ASTM
92.
92. ASTM 92. That means the category.
So we know the known sample. 10W40 210 expected.
Yeah.
So we will give the expected 210, and the starting of the checking should be before 20 degrees plus or before 20 degrees. It means it will start from 190. So and it will be after minus 20 and plus 20. So after that it will be start.
Yeah.
So we have to increase it manually after that.
This is the flash point checking, and from this method we are checking. This is
Viscosity at 40. Viscosity at 40 degrees Celsius.
yes. We check the viscosity. We are checking the viscosity by automatic. By automatic, we can see here running.
Just we have to inject and
This is automatic 40.
40. Bath is 40.
We put the
So
sample here.
We will put one. I will put one sample.
Yes, we put the sample here. Or we put the sample, we put in here because they have the tubes.
Better I will. Just a minute. Just a minute.
This is viscosity index checking. This is checking at 40 degrees and this is checking at 100 degrees. This looks similar, but the temperature inside here is different. This is 40 and this is 100. We have the tubes. We have the tubes here. We take the oil and then we put it here. It will come down here, and then it make calculation by the computerized system, and then it will be reported here. After that, it will make a printer here. Make a print by the computer. We make what the sample batch number. After that, we make a printing. This is a printer. All the equipment here is computer.
This is for your own, huh? You need.
Yeah.
เดี๋ยวปีเอาทั้งมันออกมันไหม้
So it's what the temperature now?
It's okay. No?
What the temperature now? Hmm?
เขียน
No need.
นั่นนี่นั่นนี่
Because I want to make it. Oh, it's coming. Here. Yeah. Coming. When after the degree is because we set up at 210 degrees. That means the temperature here setting, and now it's 205. 205. We will see the distillation. They have some smoke is happen here. We will see.
You want to take picture?
โอเค
Bilan, Bilan. Right now, see, right now the smoke is coming. The smoke.
No, but sufficient vapor.
Huh?
Sufficient vapor is required to catch the fire. Sufficient vapor. Sufficient vapor. Vapors will become, but sufficient vapor to catch the fire, it will give the flash. This is the viscometer. We are checking at 40 degrees. At 100 degrees centigrade. Sit down, Jimmy.
Stop.
Okay. That's it.
Now the specification that we requirement is 210, but the oil that we are manufactured here now 215. They still increase. This is flash point. That means this oil can work in the tough condition, is that in the high temperature.
Brother.
280, maybe 220. See, this is the point. Trouble. That means it's over. It will not get a fire. It will not get a fire. That's flash detector. That means the temperature that we testing is more than 220. The requirement is 210, but the sample of the oil that we are making, the temperature flash point is more than 220. That's why the machine is warning, it's over. That means it's for safety. Because some people they ask, the question is, what about the flash point? The flash point is very important because the flash point is mean the oil that can work in the high temperature condition in the engine. And this is temperature it becomes starting step by step checking. That one is about fat point checking. Now is we check viscosity at the temperature, the different temperature, 40 centigrade and 100 degrees centigrade. This is the oil that we are manufacturing here. Before we loading into container like IBC or packing, we have to take a sample. When we take a sample, we have to make sure that what is inside here, and then we have to check flash point, we have to check corrosion test, we have to check flash point, dropping point, and also the foaming, and also we have to check viscosity. The viscosity is very important because some oil they don't have the protection ring, but this one, if this one coming, that means it will more expensive, and most of the technician they will see what is the ranking when 40 degrees and the other is 100 degrees. They see this one. Now it's reaching 40. Now it's reaching 40. If we see this one, it's reaching 40. The temperature here it will increase until 40. Then all the report is go to here, and then it will be the computerized system. We send to them or they send to us for checking. Angle.
Yeah.
We will send to them this one.
No. Just keep it there. If they need it, they come home. We just take it.
Or angle. Yeah, the angle. When they need the sample, because this is the ISO standard. Because all of the sample we have to keep.
Yeah.
If we look at this,
Yeah.
yeah, the storage. This is the best oil that we supply to Hanger. Okay. Now we just make you to understand that what the easy oil they are making and what the easy oil can be trust. We are not make a promotion. We are not spend all the things in the marketing. We are spend money to machinery for checking the quality. This is the concept of easy. It's not easy to work in this laboratory because this one is costly and quite expensive things. All the things here is the computerized system. So I hope all the dealer or business partner that from Jordan, from Iraq, from Turkey, from Pakistan, from many countries and all around here, they make more understand what Mr. Pira is doing. So please share and the advantage thing. Thank you very much.